Hi. Welcome back to our channel Real Swagga, where we answer all your questions about reselling online, in platforms such as eBay, Poshmark and Mercari. So if you have any question, leave it in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification button to see all our videos. Sometimes, you need to search for a particular seller on eBay, because of a unique item they are selling, a great deal they are offering, or because you are also a seller trying to learn more about your competition. In this post, I will share with you 4 ways to search for a seller on eBay. The first way is to find a seller using eBay's website. 1. Go to ebay.com. 2. Click on Advanced in the top right corner of the page. 3. In the Advanced Search page, scroll down to the bottom of the left side menu and click By Seller. 4. In the Seller section, click Only Show Items From, and add the user ID of the eBay seller. 5. Click Search. The second way is to find an eBay seller is to use eBay's app. 1. Add the username of the seller you are searching for in the search box. 2. Click Search for a user. The third way to search for a seller on eBay is to use an item in their store. After finding the item using the eBay's search feature, the seller information will be located in the right side menu of the items page. The fourth way to find a seller on eBay is to simply Google their username. Just add the seller's user ID plus eBay in the search box, and you should be able to find the seller's eBay store in Google's search results. Thank you for watching. If I answered your question, please like the video. If you have any questions about eBay, Poshmark and Mercari, please let me know in the comments section below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.